Hi everyone, welcome to Thai Language Training Center, a video classroom, and I'm Oblaja. And today we will learn lesson 27, Mrs. Smith's living room. Alright, sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar hamda Smith xonimniki mehmonxona uy to'g'risida shu darsni o'rganmoqchi. Oldingi darsimizda Mrs. Smith's kitchen degan darsni o'rgangan. Endi bo'lsa living room. Xo'sh, avval biz shu darsga intayin muhim bo'lgan yangi so'zlarni o'rgangandan keyin undan keyin yangi darsga kelsak. Alright, birinchi so'z a living room. Okay, actually living room. Okay, living room. Good. And the living room deganimiz nima desanglar? Qaranglar bu rasmdagi what is this? You know, it is a living room. It's also a living room. Okay, living room. Adətən mehmonxona uyi. Endi men living degan yashamoq, turmoq degan gap shu turdi qolmaydi. Demak, shu mehmonlik kelib turib, turdi uyda shu mehmonxona uyi deymiz. Living room. Mechanic room deganimiz xona shundami? Masalan, bedroom bo'lsa, yotoq uy. O'rgangan. Bathroom bo'lsa, muncha degandek. Masalan, that living room is very nice. Avu mehmonxona uy intayin payzikin, nice yaxshikin, chiroylikin. Living room, right? Masalan, I sleep on sofa in the living room. Okay, men uxlayman nada on sofa. Sofani ustida. Okay, in the living room. Mehmonxonada. Demakchi men mehmonxonadagi sofani ustida qanaqalar uxlayman. Okay. Good, next one is near. Okay, near. Okay, endi near deganimiz nima? Masalan, yaqin joyda, yaqin degan gap. Masalan, the new hotel is near the airport. Okay, and the new hotel yangi mehmonxona. Endi mehmonxona degan so'z sirtki, masalan, sayohat chiqqanda bir yak borganda turadigan mehmonxonani ko'rsatadi, balla. The new hotel yangi mehmonxona is near the airport. Aeroportga qanday yaqin. Endi men air hava port shunami? Havolik port, havo yo'lining porti, demakchi aerodrom. Demakchi yangi mehmonxona aerodromga yaqin. Okay, new hotel is near the airport. Okay. What about this? You know, my house is near our school. Mening uyam bizning maktab yaqin. Okay, near our school. Bizning nimaga? Maktabga yaqin. Maktabga yaqin. All right. They live near the seaside. Okay. And they live near the seaside. And the live yashamoq turmoq near deganimiz yaqin shunami? The seaside. Dengiz bo'yiga yaqin. Shunami? Sea deganimiz dengiz, side degan bo'yi. Demakchi, bu ular dengiz bo'yida yaqin yeri turdi. They live, yashaydi, turdi degan gap. Demak, near yaqin degan gap. Okay, and then near the window, then there is yaqin, shunami? Okay, near the television, televizorga yaqin degandek. Okay, is her handbag near that TV? Uning qo'l sumkasi televizorga yaqinmi deb so'rabdi, nima? Is her handbag near that TV? Near that TV? Okay. All right, next one is window. All right, window. Good. And the window deganimiz balkim bilgan kompyuter chiqqan bola amadan bo'ldi. Windows debchi ko'znaklar. Demakchi Microsoft shirkatining Windows nima detallarini ishlatgan shunami? Windows systemsni. Window degan shu deraza, ko'znak degan gap. Masalan, open the window. Okay, open, eching. Shunami? Open the window. Derazani eching. Okay, open the window. Shut the window. Shut deganimiz taqoq shunami? Yoki taqmoq. Derazani iting, derazani taqmoq. Open the window, inverse, shut the window. Okay. And there are two windows in this bedroom. Okay, and there are bar qancha ikki deraza in this bedroom. And the bu yotoq uyda ikki nima bor ekan bolalar? Deraza bor ekan. There are two windows in the bedroom. Hey, don't open the window. Okay, don't open the window. Ochmang. Nimani ochmang? Derazani ochmang. Okay. Good. Next one is armchair. Okay, and we are arm deganimiz belak degan gap. Vallahi chair deganimiz kursa o'rindiq degan gap. And the armchair deganimiz shu yulanchki va o'rindiq. Şu yülençüklük orundukne armchair deymiz. Armchair. Armchair. Mal nime? Armchair. Okay. Armchair. Mesela ma birisi nime? Red armchair. Another one is purple armchair. Okay, purple. Purple ni görelim mi? Görelim mi? Purple cümle o. Purple degen nime? Çeyizren. Adette benefşiren. Purple armchair. Okay. You know, the two armchairs are in the living room. Okay, and in the living room dediğimiz mehmanxonada. Qanchtal, ishktal, yülenchik o'rindiq, nada, mehmanxona uyda. Degan gap. Okay, and your bag is near the red armchair. And sizninki so'mkingiz yaqin, naga yaqin red armchair. Okay, your bag is near the red armchair. Near the red armchair. Good. And the king said door. Actually, door. Okay, door. Hoş and the door dediğimiz ne meğer? Sana şık. Şık. Şık. But şık ne demek? Sana door. Okay, door. Okay. And a small door. And small door dediğimiz değil mi? Küçük ışık. Okay. The front door. Front door dediğimiz ne olmalı? Oldu ışık. Front dediğimiz oldu. Mesela oldu ışık önündeki çoğun derecesinde değil mi? Çoğun ışıkını the front door dediğimiz. And the two new doors. İki yeni ışıklar. Hoş hem de iki yeni ışıklar. Gördün mü? Neçtal ışık varken? İki yeni ışık varken. Şuna okay. Mesela the blue one is the new door and the red one is an old door. Mavi kök birisi was a yeni ışık. The red one is an old door. O was ne bir kona ışık deyimiz. Demek blue one is the new door and the red one is the demek old door. Kona ışık. Good. Next one is a picture. Okay. Picture. Picture. Hoş yani picture dediğimiz ne meğer? Sana resim. Resim. Bu kadar resim. Sana şu picture. Okay. Picture. Adette şu arkalı resimlerini gösteriyor. Mesela this picture is not bad. Okay. And bu resim yaman emesken. Atska emesken. Ama picture. Okay. Mesela are these new pictures? Bular yeni resimler mi? Are these new pictures? Yaxşı. Bular nimeler mi? Yeni resimler mi? Okay, picture, resim. Okay. And hang the picture on the wall. Okay, hang dediğimiz asmak, es koymak olsun. Hang deyimiz. The picture. Resimni es koymak nege? On the wall. Tamның üstüge. Tamның tüpüge. Tamga resimni qanday qo'ymak? Es qo'ymak. Hang the picture on the wall. Okay, hang the picture on the wall. Okay, and the king's job. There are some pictures in my room. Okay, and there are some pictures. Bir neçe nimeler var? Resimler var. Nerede? In my room. Uyamda. There are some pictures in my room. Okay, next one is wall. Okay, wall. Wall dediğimiz ne oldu? Emmisi ne? Sana wall. Endi bir yerde Cumhuriyet bir intan ulug' bir tamba. O tam ne der sana? The Great Wall. The Great Wall. Okay, the Great Wall. And the Great Wall dediğimiz ulug' tam. Bu şu dünyanın dağınık boğan Saddicin Sipili. Saddicin Sipili ne deyimiz? The Great Wall deyimiz arkadaşlar. Okay, the Great Wall. And that the cat is on the wall. Okay, amüşk bolsa nerede? Tamda. Okay, tamda. Esat'ta şöyle mesela. Wall. Okay, the cat is on the wall. Okay, cat is on the wall. The wall is too low. Okay, and tam bolsa big. Qanda? Paka. Too low. Okay, low dediğimiz paka.